the other lads. They've been on job seekers' allowance or whatever you call it. You wouldn't let me go. I had to stay at home and help with all that dirty washing.
Less of your cheek, my lad. You're more of a hindrance than a help.
Oh, no, she's not.
Oh, yeah.
She's lovely.
If you hadn't have helped,
He helped last night.
you're more of a hindrance than a help.
Yeah, all right, I'll say it again. Shut her in.
We would not have eaten.
Talking of food, I'm starving.
Have a pasty.
Can't we have something to eat first? I'm feeling quite faint.
Faint? Faint? I'll give you faint. Get a job, and then you can eat.
Oh,
Hard times.
Mum.
Whoa!
Now, if I were a rich man, ba-da-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum, all day long I'd be busy. If I were a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work hard. Da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum. All day long I'd biddy-biddy-boom. If I were a wealthy man.
Whoa!
How kind. Here. Let me give you this, a token of my appreciation.
Yes, come here. Don't talk to that riffraff.
Oh, the father. He's so cute.
I don't care, Yasmin. Let us go back to the palace. I am bored with these pheasants.
I think I'm in love.
Already?
Come, come, have your fortune told.
Yes.
Look into my disco ball. Only 10 groats.
Oh, my pasties and Mrs. Dairy. They're the best in town.
Still freezing, plain. Come and get your flowers here.
I'm looking for a young man.
Well, here we are, back here. Here we are.
Why do you at my age even an old one will do?
Oh, thank you.
Actually, I'm a magician from the far eastern lands. And I know of a cave. And in this cave, there is a lamp that will make me the richest man in the world.
Hey!
Sadly, even after a year at Weight Watchers, I still can't get through the entrance. So, I've got to find this lad. I wonder who he is over there. He looks about the right size. I say, do you know who that is over there, that young man?
That's a London monkey. You don't want him. He has no skills. Mind you, you won't have to pay much. He lives with his mother and they're very poor.
Sounds ideal. No father to get in the way of my plans. And I'll soon win my mother over with a few jewels and a bit of cash. Right. I say, young man, can you show me the way to Widow Wonky's house?
Why, sir, that's my mother, you know, Widow Wonky. It's my
No.
mother.
Good heavens! Then you must be Aladdin.
That's right. But who are you?
Oh, Aladdin, I'm your long-lost Uncle Ebenezer from the East.
Oh, no, you're not.
Yes, I am. And I'm just longing to see your mother. So show me the way and let's get going.
I will show you. Walk this way.
No.
Which way? That way.
This way.
Do you work now? No, no way.
moaning about. It's me carrying all the packages.
That's what you said a little while ago. Let's stop here for a little while and let me catch my breath.
Right. Now, tell me about the places you've been to.
Oh, I've been there. No, I've told you enough about my travels. Tell me about yourself.
Well, there's not much to tell really, Uncle. I've lived here all my life. My father died when I was very young. And since then, we've been really poor. That's why I was at the bazaar today, to try and find work.
Well, I don't want you to worry another minute. I have got enough money to make sure that you and your mother have money and you have enough new clothes too.
Why, Uncle, that's the second good thing that's happened to me today.
Yeah. What was the first?
Well, I met the beautiful Princess Yasmin today, and she gave me this, and I think I'm in love.
Oh, no, you're not.
I must see this Princess Yasmin. She might do for me when I'm rich.
Oh, no.
Right, come on, Aladdin. I think I've rested enough. Let's get going, but don't walk too quickly, dear.
Are you sure? Are you sure you've rested sufficiently?
Yes, I
Quite
think
sure.
I have, yeah.
Come along then.
Oh, dear.
Oh, come along then. We'll
Oh,
see you later if I get her there on time. If we find Mother, we should
Don't
hear.
rush, Aladdin. Don't rush. I'm not as
Take my
young
arm,
as
dear.
you.
Take my arm.
Oh! Come down here, dear. No, not mine. Yes! There they are!
I recognise those.
I'm fed up with this job. Long hours, grotty clothes. I want something more glamorous.
Oh, wouldn't that be nice?
What do you fancy doing?
Oh, let me see. I'd like to be a hair hostess.
The hair hostess?
Yes.
The hair hostess? What's that then? Posh name for a knit nurse?
Judy, no. You get a smart uniform, not like this one, and you travel to exotic places. And you meet really interesting people. And then you give them food poisoning. Or, if you're on the New York route, you can try and drown them in the Hudson River.
That sounds like too much like hard work to me.
Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, yes, it is.
It's not.
Oh, anyway, the heliport might be closing down.
That's true.
And you don't know your way to St. Joss.
Where's that?
Yeah. Indian country.
Oh.
I know. Oh, we could be one of them there girl bands.
Oh, we could dance.
Oh, no, you can't.
Oh, yes, we can.
Oh.
And we can play musical instruments.
Oh, we could sing. Oh, they like us.
So to here.
Stick with the hair guitar.
To there.
What shall we call ourselves then?
I know. What about the 2 degrees?
Oh, right.
2 degrees. Why 2 degrees?
Do you know how cold it is out there tonight?
Oh.
Is that why all these people are in here?
Oh, do you know, I think some of them were here last year. In fact, do you think we'll see them again?
No.
Oh, yes, we will.
I think that's a cue for a song.
No!
This is my beginning. London on a Saturday night, yeah?
Sing better than Milton.
Do you think
The Foreign Legion.
pay us? Pay us?
Pay us more than here.
Oh, do you know, we haven't been paid in over 3 weeks. And look at the state of my hands. That omen's supposed to make your hands as soft as your face.
In your case, they do. Your face is like a shredded piece of old leather. Whereas mine is your hand, as soft as a baby's bottom.
Baboon's bottom more like it.
What's going on here? What's going on here? I don't pay you good money to mess around.
Good money, any money would be good money. We haven't been paid in ages.
Think yourselves lucky you've got a job. And you're not paying as well.
Well, it is helpful. It's useful to buy things like food.
Food, glorious food. Custard.
You sing again, I'm going home.
Good.
Shut up, the pair of you. With any luck, Aladdin will have got a job today. He might have even earned some money and we could all be at the ship tonight having a meal, or the King's Arms, or even the Cornish Range.
Well, we can live in hope. That Aladdin, he thinks manual labour's a Mexican. There's no chance of him getting a job. He can't do anything.
Where is that boy of mine? It's getting rather late and I'd like him in before dark. Ah, that sounds like it now.
Hello, Mother.
Hello, Aladdin. Did you manage to get a job?
No, but I found something even better.
Better? What could be better?
Just close your eyes and I'll bring you a wonderful surprise.
The only surprise I want is money in my pocket and food for the table.
Just close your eyes, Mother, please. You two can as well.
Oh, very well then, but do hurry up.
Oh, what have you got there, then?
Okay, Mum, you can open your eyes now.
Why? Who's this?
Dear lady, I'm Uncle Ebenezer, Aladdin's long-lost uncle from the East. And just look at these gifts I bought for you.
Ebenezer? Ebenezer? I don't recall anyone with that name. Still, my dear husband had lots of relatives and I never met them all.
Exactly, dear lady, exactly. And look at these gifts. All these gifts I bought for you.
Oh, shut up, the pair of you, and go and prepare some of this food while I entertain our guests.
Dear lady, I hear times have been hard for you.
Oh, no, they haven't.
Oh, yes, they are. You can say that again.
Oh, no, they haven't.
If I must. Dear lady, I hear times have been bad for you.
Yes, this credit crunch has been so hard. You know, last week the bank reclaimed my washboard, and this week the mangle is due to go. You know, I can't even afford the rent.
There, dear lady. Dear lady, don't upset yourself. I have a plan that can change all that.
Really? You'd help us?
Yes.
But how?
I'd like to make Aladdin my apprentice.
A dentist? All that blood?
I said apprentice.
Alan Sugar? What, to take my little boy away?
Well, I will make it worth your while. Aladdin will have a chance to travel, see distant lands. He'll have enough money for fine clothes like me.
Oh, please, Mother, let me go. I am 55, I mean 19, and I would
Thank
love
you.
to travel and wear nice clothes. You never know. I might even become rich enough to marry Princess Yasmin.
You're married already.
Marry? But you're only a baby. Maybe in 30 or 40 years' time, perhaps.
There, dear lady, another good reason for him to travel with me. Get him away from this Princess Yasmin before he gets too involved.
Oh, all right then, but you will take good care of him, won't you?
I will.
He's all I've got.
Is he? Oh.
Take good care,
Oh!
my baby. Please don't ever make him move. Just tell him that you love him and that you're thinking of him in everything you say and do.
Shut up, the pair of you.
Shut up.
Right, dear lady. Of course I'm going to take good care of him, but I'm in rather a hurry, and I'd like to leave first thing in the morning.
So soon? Don't worry, Mother. I promise to write every day.
Okay, Aladdin.
I've never been in a country where I've had to walk so fast. So long.
Answer that.
Oh dear. Right. Yes, I think we'll have a rest here for a minute, Aladdin.
I showed my waistcoat.
Okay.
Yes,
Another
yes.
rest.
Better put a cushion on that stage door there.
Because
tomorrow.
I've got something to show you.
What's that, Uncle?
Don't get too
Look at this.
Ah, you see this here? This is a gift for you. It's a ring, and it's a very special ring. If you rub the ruby in the middle, a genie will appear and will grant you a wish.
Really, Uncle?
Yes.
I will put it on my finger and think what wish I want granted.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take care of it because you broke it last night. You've only got one. You can only afford one ruby. Right, now, you see that boulder over there?
Yes.
Well, behind that boulder is the entrance to a cave. And in that cave are more jewels than you could possibly imagine. And they're all yours. Ah, much more, much more. And they're all yours. All I want is the old lamp that's in there.
But, Uncle, why the old lamp when you could have all the jewels?
Oh, I have no need of jewels. I have more than enough. But the lamp is mine, boy. Understand?
Of course I
The
understand.
rest of the things you can have.
Right, I understand perfectly.
Okay. Well, there's no time like the present.
Right.
So, get started.
Sure.
Here we go again.
Move this boulder.
Yes.
Right, here we go. Right.
Right, in you go, Aladdin.
Look at all this. Why, there's even more than our local Spiegelhalter.
Oh,
Now,
what's that?
let me see if I can find this lamp. I can't see it here anywhere.
Behind you!
Here. No, I can't see it there either. I'll look through this last bit of cave here and just see if it's there. And I wonder if there's anything about, any skeletons or any spiders. Oh, I hope not.
Rock band there.
Disconnected arm.
Nothing there, nothing there, even speak about it. I'm alive, I'm
Aladdin! What are you doing in there? Have you found the lamp yet?
Not yet, Uncle. I don't know what you want with a lamp, and you could have all these beautiful jewels.
Well, hurry up, boy. Chop, chop, quick, quick.
Found it, Uncle.
Right. Quickly, pass it out to me, boy.
Oh, it's all right. I'll just bring it out when I come.
No, I want it now. Pass it out now, boy.
Strop.
Now.
I don't think I trust him anymore.
No.
No, I'll bring it out when I come.
You stupid boy! Why couldn't you just do as you were told? Right, you can stay in there in the dark, and I'll find another way of getting the lamp.
Oh my goodness. Now what's going to happen to me all alone in this dark, damp cave? I could be lost forever. I'll have to rest a while, and maybe, just maybe, I'll come up with a cunning plan.
Oh, no, you won't. You didn't last
Oh,
night.
yes, I will.
Where are the other dwarfs?
Don't know, haven't seen them since this time last year.
Come to think of it, no. You know something else? This mine doesn't look the same as before.
I don't like to say, but I've got a feeling we're in the wrong pantomime.
Right, you know, I don't recognise anyone out there.
Right, be not such a
Well,
stolen
Louis.
casual like. I don't think anyone's noticed.
Of course you haven't, half of them are asleep.
No, we're not.
Oh yes, you are.
Where am I?
Not again.
Oh, yes! All alone. That wicked uncle of mine locked me in this cave. Whatever shall I do? Whatever shall I do? And how will I get out?
Bag of gum, it's cramped back there.
Yeah.
Where am I? Oh, different lot in here tonight.
Oh.
Yes, master. What is your wish?
What have I done?
Well, I think that ring's got something to do with it, and I'm not surprised you're a bit confused, because I am as well. You see, a few weeks ago, I was a fairy on top of the Christmas tree. Last week, I was helping the Tooth Fairy. She was on holiday. Well, actually, she wasn't really on holiday, but we can't really talk about what happened to her. And this week, I'm the genie of the ring, and I'm here to help you.
The magic ring. My so-called Uncle Ebenezer gave me. Well, for a start, I think you can get me out of here, back to my home, together with all these jewels.
Okay then. So I've got it right. Do you want to go to Rome?
No. Home, back to my home.
Not Rome.
Not Rome, not yet
Rome would
anyway.
be very,
Well,
it's very
I
nice
know.
at this time of year,
Maybe
you know.
next week, but home today.
Home.
Yes, please.
I can't do that on my own.
Oh,
So you've got to help me.
right,
You've got to close your eyes,
right.
turn around 10 times. You'll get very, very dizzy. But if I get it right, you'll be home and not Rome. Are we ready?
We're ready. Here goes. 1, 2, 3. The genie was right. It did work.
What's all this commotion? What's all this? What's all this, Aladdin? What have you done? And I tried to bring you up all proper like, and then you go and do something like this.
Look, it's all right, Mother. It's all legal and above board.
Oh, no, it's
Oh, yes, it is.
Are you sure, Aladdin? We won't get a visit from the bill, will we? I don't want to end up in casualty with those young doctors or in cell block H.
Stop going on so, Mother. And stop listing all those TV soaps you watch, otherwise I might well be home and away with the neighbours. You see, at it now. Now, come and sit down and have a glass of Archer's.
Oh, all right then. Just the one.
Buckle.
Purely for medicinal purposes.
Oh, yes, I've
Have you
heard that
refilled it?
before.
Hello.
Right. Now, Mother. Now, let me tell you
Don't
what
smell
happened.
like Archers either.
Let me tell you what happened. Uncle and I travelled for several hours, when we came upon this large rock, which Uncle said covered a cave which was full of jewels.
Oh, a likely story.
Do be quiet, Mother, and let me finish. Anyway, he gave me a magic ring and said I could have it if I went into the cave and brought him out an old lamp which was there. That's all he wanted. He said I could have all the rest.
I thought you said he was a good businessman. Are you sure that's all he wanted?
Of course I'm sure, Mother, but do please listen. Anyway, I took too long in finding the lamp, and he got very cross with me, and the wicked old man shut me in and left me to die. Oh, my poor boy! Oh. Anyway, after a while, I fell asleep, and when I woke up, I was so cold, I rubbed my hands together, and I must have rubbed the ring that Uncle gave me. And then, well, you just won't believe it.
Oh, yes, we would.
Don't keep me in suspenders. Come on.
Well, a genie appeared.
I find that rather hard to believe.
Just watch, Mother.
Hey! Who's a pretty
Aren't
girl?
you clever? It worked. You got home. Yes, Master. What is your wish?
Well, I never. Who would believe it? And you say she can grant wishes?
Almost anything you want.
Well, Aladdin, that's us set up for life. Plenty of money to buy food and new clothes, and maybe some new curtains, and perhaps some holidays, and maybe even a chain of laundrettes.
Oh.
Now that I'm rich, I can claim the hand of the beautiful Princess Yasmin. But first I'll need new clothes, and for you, Mother, and a magnificent palace, and gifts for the Sultan. Did you get all that, Genie? Can you do it?
No.
Oh.
No. It's too hard for me, I told you. I'm not bright enough for all of those things. Do you know, I tried to pass my grade 3 exam 10 times. And each time I do it, something goes wrong. But I do know somebody who can help you. I'm very big in the genie world.
Oh, the genius.
We're talking
Big.
This genie can do magic at the genie convention, the annual genie convention. He does magic that we all just sit back in amazement at. And as for his pasta, Mamma Mia! Anyway, we've got a nice name for him. We call him Ali G. And if you have that lamp, that magic lamp, he will appear. But I have warned you. Be careful.
But what you're telling me is that inside this lamp there's a genie. Are you sure it'll work?
Trust me, Master.
Right. So, here goes.
Mother, can you see? I ain't blind, Aladdin. I could hardly miss him, could I?
I'm new at this too. I suppose we ask him what we want and he obeys.
Find new clothes for me. Find new clothes for me.
Oh, it's such a beautiful lady! Come here, darling. Have a rose from the genie. And then, what size would that be, my little darling?
A size 0, I would say, wouldn't you?
A size 0? I got my hands on more than a size 0, just then I can tell you. Do you think she's been to the waiter watchers?
Please, some elegant clothes for my mother.
Elegant clothes. This might be hard, but I'll give it a try. Are you ready for this now? Abracadabra! Alakazam! You'll find what you want right there in your room.
Oh, thank you, Genie. Thank you. I must go and take a look. Can you go and fetch my jewels for me? Thank you, Genie. Bye.
Leave the door on the back.
My turn now. My turn now.
His turn now. His turn now.
I would like
He would like
the biggest, most magnificent palace anyone has ever seen.
the biggest, the most magnificent palace anybody has ever seen.
Positioned on St. Michael's Mount,
Positioned on St. Michael's Mount,
with views over the sea.
with the views over the sea.
Fine clothes for me, of course.
I need them.
Yes, thank you. And gifts of gold, silver and jewels for the princess. If that doesn't impress the Sultan, I don't know what will. Now, can you do all that?
I think I'm going to have to do some extra shifts at St. Michael's to the corner. Thank you, fans, thank you. It's never heard of a credit crunch of this one, but I will do my best. Are you ready for this now? Abracadabra! Alakazam! I'm going to make all your wishes come true.
Oh, I can't wait to see my new clothes.
Right, I'm going to help him get a dress, because this outfit, it's just a so last year. Come on then with me.
Don't sing!
Yes, we will.
Looks like our look has changed at last.
Looks like Virgin Atlantic.
Hey, come on, we're older than 12. Just. Oh, I don't know. It's going to be nice working for those wealthy bosses for a change.
Yes, but I tell you what.
So let them the old saying, isn't it? You can't make a silk purse out of a sow's ear.
Oh, yes, you can.
Oh, no, you can't. I've tried.
Oh.
And not only that, I think we made a bit of a mountain out of a molehill.
A mountain? And we nearly have a landslide.
Oh, no.
Oh, God. Is that a cue for a song?
Oh, no!
She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
When she comes,
She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
when she comes,
She'll be coming round the mountain.
coming round the mountain,
Coming round the mountain when she comes. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. She'll be scolding her hairdresser when she comes. She'll be scolding her hairdresser when she comes. She'll be scolding her hairdresser, scolding her hairdresser, scolding her hairdresser when she comes. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Yippee, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. She'll be knocking back the archers when she comes. She'll be knocking back the archers when she comes. She'll be knocking back the archers, knocking back the archers, knocking back the archers when she comes. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. She'll be wearing trimming clothes when she comes.
when she comes,
She'll be wearing trimming clothes when she comes.
when she comes,
She'll be wearing trimming clothes, wearing trimming clothes, wearing trimming clothes when she comes. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye.
when she comes,
She'll be wearing chocolate wings when she comes.
when she comes,
She'll be wearing chocolate wings, wearing chocolate wings, wearing chocolate wings when she comes.
when she comes,
Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye.
That must have been a funny joke. Let me in on it. Nanny, do get them to tell me what's so funny.
Well, Mother, I've a feeling it's you.
Me? What do you mean me? Aren't I looking lovely in the new outfit?
Oh, yes, you are.
Well,
And the words of Legion next week.
you look like a Christmas tree. Look, Mother, you're not supposed to put everything on all at once.
Why not? Because they gorgeous Arbor Life boys took weeks to get me turned on. And I wanted to make a good impression on the Sultan and show him that we're good enough to join his family.
Of course, Mother, you'll do very nicely now. We'll go now because most of my gifts should have arrived at the Sultan's palace. Right, you two? You can carry the chest of jewels, but do try to look like courtiers and not washhouse assistants. Come along, Mother.
Hark at him. Who does he think he is?
Actually, he's a very rich man and the one who's going to pay our wages.
Gordon Brown.
You must be joking.
Bill Gates. All right. I suppose we'll have to do something else. We'll get the sack before we've even been paid a week's wages. Here. Do you think that Aladdin's a millionaire?
Oh, who wants to be a millionaire?
No.
Did we talk about that?
No.
Who wants to be a millionaire? I do. And flashy flunkies everywhere. I do.
this is a token of my son Aladdin's love for your daughter. Step forward, Aladdin, and say your piece.
Your Highness, I have come to ask for your daughter's hand in marriage. As you can see from all these gifts, I am a wealthy man. And
Oh,
can keep...
no, you're not.
Oh, yes, I am.
Oh,
And
no, you're not.
can keep her in the style to which she is accustomed.
Did you hear that, Yasmin? This young man is asking for your hand. Well, as far as I can see, a hand is not much good on its own.
Oh.
So I suppose he better have the rest of you as well.
Father.
As for being wealthy, young man, well, we all know that money can't buy love.
Are you
and ring, my friend, if it makes you feel alright. I'll give you anything, my friend, if it makes you feel alright. I don't care too much for money. Money can't buy me love, can't buy me love. Everybody tells me so, can't buy me love. Oh, no, 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 no. But, as we all know, it does help. So in this case, I am prepared to make an exception.
But Father, I loved Aladdin when he was poor. All of his wealth, well, it means nothing to me.
Oh, yes, it does.
Hush, Yasmin. I have decided you will be married immediately. I'll call the court official to make all the necessary arrangements.
Great.
Is that all right with you, madam? Or would you like to help?
You're a lovely lad, isn't he? I think I better go and help him to make sure he doesn't forget anything. Don't run away from me! My dressing room is this way. Come on, this way. We might have to break in last year, but we don't have to break in. Come on.
Might have to break out.
Your Highness, I think I'd better go and keep an eye on my mother. You never know what she's doing. Goodbye, my love. I will see you on our wedding day.
Mother, you behaving? Now, I suppose we ought to think about what you're going to wear. But it can't be very expensive because we all know that times are very hard.
Oh, yes, they are.
Oh, no, they're not. We have all of these jewels. Can't we use some of those to buy the dress?
No. No. I think we'd better save those for a rainy day.
In Mousel.
But Father, it never rains in the desert. Only in Mousel.
Oh, sorry.
In the summer.
But that is neither here nor there. It might do one day. Anyway, back to your dress.
Yes, I must look my best for Aladdin. We can't keep digging up that same old wedding dress for every pantomime.
Oh, yes, you can.
No, that is true. I wonder where they've got a decent sale on. I know. What about the bazaar? Or Newlyn charity shop?
Oh, right, I'll shop around. But the palace could do with a bit of a facelift. I mean, it doesn't look like it's been touched for, what, 10 years?
No, but that's not the only thing round here. That widow Wonky could do with a lift all over.
You're talking about my future mother-in-law.
Oh, don't tell me that we're related. Oh, dear.
I'm afraid so. Anyway, if a facelift is out of the question, how about the good spring clean? All these hangings need to come down and be washed and pressed, and all the silver and gold polished.
Now, you're right.
I wonder who we could get to do.
No.
You two, come here, come here. Sire, I thought I heard our mistress calling, and
Oh, yes, so did I. We've got to go, because she gets really cross if you don't go once when she calls us.
rubbish! Come here at once. Don't forget we're now all related, so you can do my bidding. Meanwhile, I am off to count my jewels.
Hooray!
Now then, all of these hangings needs to come down and be washed and pressed. All the silver and gold polished until it gleams. Now, I trust that I can rely on you, because I've got to go and look for my new wedding dress. But more importantly, I really need to go and get some therapy for this obsessive, compulsive cleaning disorder I have.
Here we go.
You're not going to sing, are you?
Michael?
Shall we?
No. Yes! No singing.
Later.
Right.
We'll keep you in
We
suspense.
need to get some ladders, the fairy lights, Jaden, because I can't get up there to get those hangings down. And you're going to have to get the washing basket.
Oh, I don't believe it. I thought our luck was in. Oh, and look at my hands. They've just got right, and now it's back to that Omo again.
Your face hasn't got right.
Oh, my.
Oh, baboon.
I'm sure I heard them play our tune again.
That Yasmin looks a lot like that passy seller.
Hooray!
Come along, do come along. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Right, come along, Seaforth. I know you're supposed to be the ship of the night, but did you have to be in the ship all night? You may be wondering why his name is Seaforth.
No. Yes, I do.
Well, I'm going to tell you anyway.
Oh.
It's quite simple, really. If he was a dog, he'd be D4. D for dog. But he's a camel, so he's C4.
Oh, dear.
Now look, come along. C4, we've got a lot to do. It's taken me over a year to find out where Aladdin lives. And he's done very well for himself. He's got a magnificent palace, married to the Princess Yasmin. And he's got my lamp. I want it back. But I have a cunning plan. We're very good in our pantos at having cunning plans. And this is a cunning plan to get it all back. So don't stand here skipping and dancing about. We've got to get on and get cracking and put this plan into action. Come along, C4. Here we go. Here we go.
Go forth, C4.
Come along, everything. It's hardly a red Ferrari or a For goodness sake, get up, move on. Stop all this skipping and dancing and what are you boys? Give this camel on the move. Give it a push in the back. Come along.
You know, Yasmin, it only seems like yesterday that we were married.
Yes, but it's a year going tomorrow.
I know, and I can't tell you how lucky I've been. 10 pantos, and married in at least 7. And 2 of my beautiful ex-princesses are here.
Yes, when I think back to when we met in the bazaar and you gave me that rose, well, you were so poor. I've often wondered how, within just a few days, you became so wealthy.
Well, I've told you, it has to remain my secret.
Oh, all right, Aladdin. No more questions. How soon is it you have to leave on this business trip?
Well, I should leave now, but don't worry, I will be back in plenty of time for our first anniversary.
Well, you'd better. I've organised a wonderful banquet with all your favourite food. Go on, you better go.
Very well, my dear. Now, take care of yourself, won't you? And take care of the palace for me. Goodbye, my dear.
Goodbye, Anne. Bye, Anne. Oh, Lotus, I will miss him. Oh, don't worry, mistress. I'm sure he'll be back directly. Yes, of course, you're right. I'll just have to keep myself busy while he's gone. I know. Why don't we give the palace a bit of a spring clean, ready for the banquet? Why not?
Don't do that.
Shall we go and get Widow Wonkinus, 2 good-for-nothings, to give us a hand? What a good idea. Go get them. Do.
Don't let them sing. Good.
Come on.
Bit like the Stanley.
Got some cleaning to do. Come on.
I don't think this kind of menial work is in my employment contract.
Actually, now you mention it, neither do I. I've a good mind to have a word with my solicitor. Is Mr. Morris in the house tonight? No, typical. You 2 stop complaining and get on with your work.
Majesty, do you want this old lamp? It doesn't seem to go with all the lovely things in this room.
Oh, yes, it does.
No, I don't. In fact, I've often wondered why Aladdin insists on keeping it. Let's get rid of the old thing.
Oh, no.
Oh, shall we exchange this old lamp for a new one? What an amazing coincidence. Bring in the lamp seller.
Oh, no.
In exchange, take this new one. I do. I'm sure my husband will be so pleased that I've got a new one.
At last, my lamp. Right. Be quiet, all of you. Done, Yasmin? What have you done?
Oh, no.
Only Papa's. Just in case you'd all forgotten. Now, who's been rubbing my lamp to this town? Oh my God, it is the bad man. What are you wanting?
The first thing is to unhook me out of this cloak so they can all see that I'm Ebenezer.
Up here then. Abracadabra.
You'll be right tomorrow night, won't you?
Hang on a minute, Ebenezer, your hair's a bit low. Now, Virgie, don't mention it.
Right. Now, I want you to take me to this palace and all these people. Again, they are my prisoners, and they're all coming with me to a far distant land.
A distant land?
A distant land.
I'm glad about that, because I have a spell that matches a distant land.
How clever is that?
Abracadabra! Alakazam, let's all go to the distant land. Beautiful lady.
You can have whichever you want.
Easy beat, I think I'll have this one.
We go.
To the distant land.
evening. My palace should be here. Where is it? Where is my dear mother and Yasmin? Oh
Take
dear,
us.
dear, how will I find them? What shall I do?
Behind you!
What is all this commotion? Where is your palace? And where is my daughter?
Gone, all gone. An evil magician has transported them to a far and distant land.
Newly.
Wait! You better do something about it quickly, or it will be off with your head.
Oh no!
Oh dear.
What shall I do? How will I find them? Oh my goodness, I just do not know how I'll find them.
Rub your lamb.
It's me again.
Hello, you!
You ringed me.
Well, I suppose I must have. I'd quite forgotten about you.
Oh no, we ain't.
Genie of the ring. Now, can you help me get Yasmin and my palace back? And of course, Mother.
I told you before that I'm not very bright, and I'm not as clever as Ali G. His powers, and you've seen him in action, his powers reach places that no other genie could ever reach. So I'm very, very sorry, but can't do.
But you must be able to do something. My Yasmin lies over on Scilly. My Yasmin lies over the sea. My Yasmin lies over on Scilly's. Oh, bring back my Yasmin to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my Yasmin to me, to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my Yasmin to me.
That was very, very nice, but I still can't do it. And if I brought her back now, it would spoil the plot completely, wouldn't it? Yes. But what I can do is send you to that far and distant land in England,
Right.
and give you a magic potion.
A portion.
Magic potion. If you give this to Ebenezer, he'll sleep for a week. And I know this will work because there's one or two people here in the audience that have tried it on.
Oh no, we haven't!
But you,
This is a magic potion.
portion.
Push.
Magic portion.
Portion.
Magic portion.
Now, are you sure it'll work?
Yes.
Good. That's the answer then. Do your magic, Genie.
Oh, I'm so sad. My dear Aladdin has gone forever.
Yes, and we are prisoners of this evil Ebenezer. What shall we do?
Let's do.
Why, Aladdin, it's you. How on earth did you get here?
I flew, British Genie.
As I said, how on earth did you get here?
All that matters is that you're here now to save us from that evil Ebenezer. My boy, my baby, come give your mother a kiss.
Quickly, enough of all this. We haven't much time. I have a plan.
What plan?
I'll tell you if you let me get a word in edgeways.
Sorry, Aladdin, I promised to keep quiet.
Now, the Genie of the Ring has given me a magic potion.
Is this it?
Potion.
It's a magic potion.
Yes, this is it. Now, if we put a few drops of this in Ebenezer's bedtime drink, it will make him sleep for a week.
Will it work? If it better, there's only one more scene to go.
I can hear somebody coming. Now, do you remember what you have to do?
Of course I do.
Right. I will hide behind this chair, which should be here.
Oh, Yasmin, where's my evening drink?
Just getting it for you, old grotty one.
What did you say?
She said she got you one.
Ah,
Here's your drink.
Good old Red. Beat him.
oh, I feel, I feel a bit sleepy. I think I'll sit down and have 40 winks.
Aladdin, quick. I think it's worked. He's fast asleep.
What do we do now, Aladdin?
Just watch.
She's over there.
It is I, the genie. I don't want to wake up the bad man. Who's been rubbing the lamp this time? Hello, it is Aladdin rubbing the lamp now. That's a much better. Hello, Aladdin. What are you doing here?
Now, I would like you to take us all back whence we came and put him in a dungeon dark and damp. That will teach him to steal my lamp.
I've got a marvellous spell for the last one.
Oh, good.
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Are you ready for this? Yes! That's a bit better. You nearly woke him up then. Alakazam! Put this magician to the naughty step! And then back to the palace, follow me! Hello! Fancy meeting you again! Naughty step.
I'm destined forever to walk with my camel. Nobody to carry my reins anymore. I've got to do it all myself. I'm on a perpetual journey.
That'll give you the hump.
Brothers are such wonderful people.
It's so good to be back.
Yes, there's no palace like home.
I'm longing to see Father.
Well, he should be here any minute. I sent those two lazy good-for-nothings, Wing and Warren, to fetch him ages ago.
His Royal Highness, Master of the Sun, Lord of the Moon, Prince of the Stars, Lord High Executioner, and
Enough! Enough! It would take at least 10 years to go through all my titles.
Oh, Miss Will.
My dearest Yasmin, it is so good to see you safe and well. Mwah, mwah.
Yes, and it's all thanks to Aladdin. He saved me from the wicked magician.
This lamp, and I promise never to lose it again.
Well, since you have saved my dearest Yasmin from a fate worse than death, I intend to make you Grand Vizier.
Ooh. Don't trip up.
Kneel down, Aladdin.
Sire, I am honoured.
Get up, Aladdin. I think we have visitors.
Grand Vizier, your mother is here. Grand Vizier, your mother
equal honour in who I am now. Goodness me, how good.
Came up under the Christmas tree.
No, not there, here. I'm a lady now.
Oh, no, you're not.
Oh,
Your
yes, I am.
Christmas tree, once a scrubber, always a scrubber.
You tell her that in the ship.
Takes one to know one. Yes, there's me, Lady Wonky of the laundrette. It's by royal appointment now, you know. What's a laundrette? It's a place where you go to watch other people's washing go round.
Does this mean we have all our washing done for free?
No, it doesn't, but I might let you have a 10% discount.
Oh, you're a hard businesswoman, Mother.
Enough of all this business. It's quite making my head spin. We've got our anniversary banquet to organise. We need food and music.
Music, will I hope, be proper music like the 10th anniversary was. Not that heavy metal stuff.
Oh, Sultan, you are an old fuddy-duddy, but I like you. Now let our 10th anniversary party commence. Ladies and gentlemen, on this our 10th anniversary, thank you for being such a brilliant audience. Let me introduce our cast. The Camel, Lynn and Olivia.
Right back here, is it?
The Dwarfs and Skeletons, Molly and Charlie. We're also the Hire Master and a passerby. The Flower Seller. Pasty Seller. Gypsy Girl. Myself, Lotus Flower. The Court Official and the Pianist. The Sultan. The Genie of the Ring. The Wicked Ebenezer. And Widow Wonky. Wing and Wong. Princess Yasmin. And Aladdin. Not forgetting our back and front stage helpers. Amy, who looked after the children. Our prompt and this year's co-director, Sue. And our director, Marilyn.
Oh, it's not another song.
Yes, it is.
Oh, no. No, we haven't.
I'd just like to echo my thanks, first of all, to the cast who did it alone until after Christmas. I wasn't on the scene, and Sue carried everything through. And all the beautiful costumes that they've all made themselves. And to say thank you too to Pippa, who only came in a week ago to play for us and didn't know anything. And an extra clap for all the children, because I think they were. As it's our 10th anniversary, we'd like to invite anybody in the audience who's been in the pantomime to come and join us to sing Goodnight Mousel, our last song. So if you would like to come and join us,
John Jean Harris.